Best vitamins for nerves and muscles. Everyone has the occasional muscle and nerve problem, but there are ways to avoid these painful experiences. Vitamins are a quick and useful tool to help build muscle and nerve health. Throughout this video, I will be telling you the 10 go-to vitamins to maintain not only a healthy body, but also healthy nerves and muscles. If you like videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. Magnesium supplements. Muscle cramps arise for a number of reasons, and they can put quite the damper on anyone's mental health. There is nothing worse than coming home after getting a good workout in and just cramping up. But thankfully, magnesium supplements exist to help prevent these pesky cramps. As you know, calcium helps provide your muscles with contractions, but after these contractions, your muscles tire. This is where magnesium comes in. Magnesium offers your muscles a bit of relaxation after contractions. So it would definitely not hurt to get on some magnesium supplements. Protein supplements. Many people have worked out a day in and day out but see no changes to their physique. This is possibly due to not enough protein in your diet. The benefits of taking protein supplements are boundless, especially if you are struggling with muscle gain. So if you are one to exercise regularly, I strongly recommend a healthy dose of protein. Vitamin C. Now, I know what you were thinking. Doesn't vitamin C just help with my immune system? And I am here to say it does so much more than that. Vitamin C is a pretty magical vitamin, and I strongly recommend it to everyone, and here is why. Vitamin C helps with the metabolizing of carbs, and it helps with repairing those little micro tears in your muscles after a good workout. But that is not even all this vitamin does. Crazy, I know. Vitamin C also aids in forming these things called elastin and collagen, both of which allow for more flexibility within your muscles. So go ahead and get on a vitamin C supplement. Not only will it prevent sickness, but it will help with muscle health. Turmeric. Not too many people know about turmeric and its benefits, but it's a root that is used in many different cultures, mainly Chinese and Indian, as a very helpful anti-inflammatory and its ability to serve as an antioxidant. If you're in a sport that requires lifting heavy objects or a sport that is heavy on running, I recommend this vitamin as it has been shown to reduce muscle inflammation and speed up the muscle healing process. Now, let's move on to vitamins that provide necessary nerve health. Vitamin B12. There are a number of B vitamins, but vitamin B12 is one to keep up with. Deficiencies in this vitamin have been found to cause permanent damage within the nervous system. Alpha-lipoic acid. If you have diabetes or are going through cancer treatment, doctors heavily recommend this antioxidant to help keep your nerve healthy. It is known to help with certain pains and even improves the health of your nerves. Acetyl-L-Carnitine. If you're feeling a bit lazier than usual, try a supplement containing acetyl-L-Carnitine, as it improves energy levels and creates healthier nerve cells. And if you're suffering from neuropathy, it's a must to take because it can reduce your nerve pain. Curcumin. Curcumin is an herb that is known for its antioxidant benefits and qualities. Curcumin is a must-have for people who suffer from tingles or numbness in their feet or hands. N-Acetyl cysteine. This unique amino acid and antioxidant are used in many medical settings for their ability to reduce inflammation and just boost overall happiness. And cysteine is a supplement that everyone should stay up on, especially since it's not found naturally in foods. Fish oil. Looking past the aftertaste and fishy smell, you really can't go wrong with a good fish oil supplement. This is one of the most all-around beneficial supplements to add to your diet. Fish oil not only repairs damaged nerves and is an anti-inflammatory, but it also helps with weight loss. So if you're on a diet or suffering from nerve pain, give fish oil a try and enjoy the benefits. Hopefully, I have helped you out with your vitamin needs. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also subscribe to the channel for more amazing content like this one. See you in another video.